I'm going to talk to you about the concept of egg and tennis ball. This concept is actually a concept by one of the best traders in the world, Mark Minervini, in his book Think and Trade Like a Champion. He talks about the difference between an egg and tennis ball. If you drop an egg from a height, it just breaks off into pieces and never comes back, never resurrects. If you throw a tennis ball, it again bounces back. So what you are looking at is to try and identify stocks which are not eggs but tennis balls, which even if they fall down, they happen to bounce back again. Why a tennis ball happens? A tennis ball happens when the stock falls down and there are quality buyers with big money, interested in smart buyers who are willing to buy a stock if it hits a particular low. Now this itself creates a support for the stock and takes the stock up after their shopping is over or after their buying is finished. An egg kind of a stock, categorized as that, is a stock where there are no quality buyers waiting in the sidelines. Everyone wants to sell. So if one big seller comes in, everyone else wants to sell and there is no buying support and the stock keeps on going down and doesn't ever come up. Again, to give you an example on this, Adani Enterprise is a stock which had a pre-COVID high of 235. It was ranging between 235 and 265 before the COVID fall. During the COVID fall in March 2020, it made a low of 110 rupees, 265 to 110 in a month, from 110 to 300 back in 3 months. So this is the tennis ball effect. So there were quality buyers who were waiting, and for them, Adani Enterprise as a stock was a bargain when it was going down from 100. When it went down to 100, 110, when it was going up, it was a tennis ball effect. Now, in the past 2 years, it has, from the last swing high, Adani Enterprise has fallen only once by 30%. Beyond that, on all the other falls have been less than 20%. There have been several falls but less than 20%. Now, this fall of less than 20% has ensured that over the period of 2 years since the COVID fall, Adani Enterprises returned more than 20x in the last 2 years. Take example of another stock in the same industry, Coal India. Coal India is in the same industry. It made a fall of 109 rupees in the COVID era, March 2020, after which it fell further by 10% in October 2020. It has been fallen more than 30% for 5 times in the past 2 years, because of which an aggregate return of Coal India has been only 60% in the past 2 years. So this is what I call as a difference between the egg and a tennis ball, where the fall is there but the recovery is faster and it goes on to make new further highs. So what our endeavor is to segregate the eggs from the tennis balls and try and put your bets on the tennis balls.